All right, this is June mid-month updates. We just did the garden. Probably we'll see that video first. This is June 14th, 2023. As you can see, this door behind me, it's one of the items on the to-do list. It's been painted and it's ready for install. So we'll go in for our mid-June update. And today's project is we're going to put in the kitchen sink. Well, it's kind of like Linda's canning kitchen is what it's designed to be, but we'll see. A little light in here. Hey, let there be light. As you can see, the bathroom here is ready for toilet, a few other little touch-ups, and some trim, and that door that I just showed. We finished staining the concrete floor. And this is going to be the canning kitchen. Linda's canning kitchen. So we trimmed out, how you saw the videos on the, whoops, let's pick up this screw. Ooh, don't want a screw there. Scratch the floor. The trim on the windows, a video on the staining the concrete floor.
The acid stain first what the application is on. We have to let it dry now.
And videos throughout. Got a little echo in here, but that's okay. This is a canning kitchen, or will be. Today, I finished the countertops with water Lux for give them really some good solid protection against water. We just put in some cheapo 3-drawer, 24-inch drawer cabinets from Home D, and decided on a full-size fridge, even though it hides some of our trim. It just seems to make more sense. I have a trim piece to put down here, of course, for support and hide some of that. But we're just going to leave all the plumbing open. But Linda, this will be her view from the sink out. So when you're canning, I guess that isn't all bad. All right, upstairs. Let's see how the upstairs is.
Ladies first. Upstairs, see if they kept out all the snow. I tell you what.
Oh, we could even make this brighter in here. Oops. Oh, I turned it off. Turn it on and get it up the top. Let's turn on the upstairs, and it's already on the top. Okay, up the stairs to current status, June 14th update. Oops, just about tripped. I had these stupid shoes on.
Oh, that's not bad then. Let's see. Where do you see it?
Well, all of the wood was like this, but it's got kind of a little dusty.
Oh, it's barely a
sheen.
dust, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it proves if you just continue to do a little bit each day, even if you're a little tired, that sooner or later, you'll finally start to see things start to shape up.
Linda even put a little curtain up here, so cute. Still have to put noses on the stairs. We have the door, the barn door for the bathroom on with soft close and guide for this bathroom. And it is a barn door, that's for sure. Pretty rough. Nice handle. Nice movement.
Still need to do a couple of things, but it's very nice. So thank you, Lord.
The bathroom still needs some caulking and baseboards, but other than that, it's workable. A little trim here and there. Then we have blackout shades, and they're closed now for a reason, because we haven't got the AC, the mini split installed for up here. So if we open it up at night, it'll stay pretty nice in here. Like, it's pretty hot outside, and inside here it's 54% and 73. Very workable. This is the crazy sink. Some went to the plumber and he said, you know, anybody wants a weird sink like this? A pair of them for like cheap. They're Kohlers and they were like $500 a piece. And he sold them for $80 for the pair. We also waterluxed the top of this old 3B cabinet, converted into vanity. And then we decided to have, and we found this old desk, and that old desk will be there for maybe a little coffee spot and, you know, a little workplace, a little shelf to hold a few things up there. So that's pretty much it. We had some leftover carpet tiles, leftover floor, recycled cedar in the ceiling, and I hate to even open these, but I will, just for a quick view. And that's what she looks out the window. So let's close it. Don't want that heat in here. So that's pretty good. It stays reasonably nice in here. So that is the crow's nest update. I'll probably throw a little bit of footage in on a few of these steps, because it's been an all winter thing. When you're 73 years old, my number one rule is, look, if I get just one thing off the list, whether it's today put in the sink or paint some trim, even if it's a small task, if you get one of them done. I'll show you this view as I walk down the street. All right.
Another time. I do these stairs too many times in a day, that's for sure. But the downstairs is looking pretty nice too. You know, we wanted this open industrial look for ceiling, the floor.
Now that ain't a bad space. That's pretty nice space, I think. It was always designed to be a crow's nest, and actually got a little fancier than we intended. But Linda loves the stove for her canning. It's going to have a real high faucet. I might show you that later. And of course we need the baseboard in here, but now it's down here, it's 70, you know, and 53. So not bad. Real workable space. Well, that's about it. That's the update for the Bardominium crow's nest. Shut our lights down, and that's it.